Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a fun video. Not only do I get to tell you about the best deals going on over at Target and at Walmart for the week, but this is a giveaway video, and giving stuff away makes me happy. And I feel like I've done quite a few giveaways over on Instagram recently, but I haven't done one on YouTube in what feels like forever. So I'll talk about that here in just 1 second. I'm also going to be telling you just really quickly what I am making for dinners this week. And I promise, quote me on that, I will have it up on the website this week. So, giveaway. Now, if you remember, maybe a month ago, I talked to you guys about CRZ Yoga, some of the clothes that I had gotten, and I absolutely loved them. One of the things I wanted to do more of this year was tell you about stuff, products that I love, and do more giveaways. So this accomplishes both of those things. I got additional items from CRZ Yoga today. So I've already tried them on. I'm gonna pop pictures up here to show you some of this stuff, but I wanna show it to you. And then they are working on their YouTube channel. So they are allowing me to give away two $50 gift cards for their stuff. Super great deal. So to get entered in that giveaway, you'll do that on this video. The giveaway runs from February 15th through February 22nd. I'll announce the winner in my Wednesday video. I have my little cheat sheet here. That's what I'm looking at. So I'll announce the winner on the February 22nd video. Two different winners, $50 gift card to CRZ Yoga. Drop a comment down below. So you'll have to be following me. You'll have to be following their YouTube channel. So I'll drop that down in the pinned comments below. Like the video, and then drop a comment down below. What I want to know, because I always like getting your feedback, is tell me some of the content that you would like to see me create. I know a lot of you watch my Walgreens stuff, but is it like, would you like more budget recipes? Would you like budget date ideas? Would you like how to budget, which is actually a passion of mine, creating budget spreadsheets and entering all of that. I'm completely nerdy. So just tell me what type of videos you'd like to see me create. That gets you entered into the giveaway, which will be announced on the winner will be announced on the 22nd. So this is one of their new items for spring. I love the color. I love how this one fits. Because it's a little bit snug, and I really like it, and it's so soft. But this one is not intended to be snug. If you like your shirts to fit a little bit bigger, as you can tell, this one's an extra small, but you can see it's kind of wide. So it's wider than I typically wear shirts, but I love like the material, super soft, and I love on the back, the stitching, as well as it's nice and cool and light to exercise in. So that's what I like about their stuff. Not only is it super comfortable, but it's also good to exercise in. So I got another pair of capri exercise leggings. I have a pair that I love, and I've had them forever, but I haven't found another pair to replace them with that's like the same length. And so these are the same length, and I'm hoping that these can replace the leggings that I've had forever. Now, remember I told you all about the hiking pants that I couldn't get enough of? I got another pair, and I was looking to see if it said, it just says sports pants, but these are in navy. Love these pants. They're like crazy comfortable. I got a small, and honestly I could probably get an extra small because there's a little bit of stretch in them, which I like, but I ended up picking up a small. Their men's stuff is also really nice. So if you have a man in your life that needs some cool workout clothes, check out their stuff because it's also really good quality stuff. I know it's kind of late for a Valentine's Day gift because as I'm talking, it is, like 8:30 at night on Valentine's Day, but that is their stuff. Again, I'll pop up pictures, get entered in the giveaway on this video, drop a comment down below to get yourself entered, and make sure you're following me and the CRZ Yoga YouTube channel, which I'll drop down below. Okay. Now let's talk about Target. First off, tons of stuff marked on clearance throughout the store at Target. Lots of stuff in personal care, like hair care and toothpaste and toothbrushes, body wash, like the men's face products, deodorant, tons of stuff marked on clearance. So definitely check out your store. One of the things I picked up, the Dollar Shave items were marked on clearance. This one was the cheapest one I saw at $4.19. There's a $3.50 digital coupon in the Target app. So that made this just 69 cents. So be on the lookout because hopefully that coupon will stay around as those prices continue to drop. Now, more beauty care stuff on promotion this week. Buy 3, get a $5 gift card. So this is the best one that I came up with, was on the Garnier, because there's a coupon for these and you get the gift card. So you purchase 3 of the Garnier at $3.49. You're going to actually pay $10.47 at the register. You'll get back the $5 gift card. Then submit your receipt to coupons.com where you're going to get $3 back there. So that's $8 off total, making it $2.47 for all 3 of them, or 82 cents each. And if you have a gift card from last week, you can absolutely roll that for this week. Always use gift cards. That way you're paying $0 out of pocket. I normally use my Fetch Rewards gift cards to pay for my Target stuff. That way I'm not paying anything out of pocket. Now, decent deal on these. If you like this product, these Botanica Airwicks are $3.99. That's what I paid at the register. I picked up 2 at $3.99. Then submitted my receipt to coupons.com where I got $7 back for buying 2 of them, making my final cost 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Now, this clearly was good because I drank it already. Suja Kids, and yes, I did drink it as I left the store, and I kept the bottle so I could show you guys. These are $2.49. There is a 30% off Target Circle offer that you can clip. You'll pay $1.74. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get 75 cents back, making it just 99 cents. Now, if you use the Merryfield app, double check your Merryfield app, see if you have an offer. I didn't, but Suja is one of their brands, so you do get some points back when you submit your receipt to the Merryfield app. Now, I wanted to show y'all this because this is just a straight up Target Circle offer. The Born Simple sauce that we've gotten for free before. I know a lot of you said you liked it. They're $5.99, but there's a 50% off Target Circle offer, making it just $2.99. It's a little expensive for sauce, but it's 50% off, so I wanted to share it with you guys because everyone shops differently. The minute rice I bought last week, still with a Target Circle offer, so they're $2.29, 20% off with that Target Circle, making it $1.83. Now, the Justin's, the small pack, it took me forever to find these. They're $2.19, but there's a 20% off Target Circle offer, so you'll pay $1.75, but check Ibotta because there's 75 cents back there, making your final cost just $1. Also, check Merryfield because you may have an offer for these as well, which could make your final cost even less. I did not, so I paid $1 for these. Now, other items that were on sale at Target, tuna is still 99 cents, the Starkist tuna. I saw this Reed's ginger ale, typically $4.49, marked down, not on clearance, but sale price to $2.55. As well as Jell-O, that's typically $2.79, both the pudding and the actual Jell-O cups. Those were marked down to $2 sale price again. And I noticed that at Walmart, that price was higher than $2. So if you want the Jell-O pudding or the Jell-O, better price at Target this week. Now, that was all that I purchased at Target. Let's talk about meals for this week. I know I told you last week that I was going to do barbecue chicken pizzas. I did not get that done until yesterday, yesterday was a Monday. So I did barbecue chicken pizzas, as well as I made myself the veggie pizza, just the little round ones. Tonight I did a vegetable curry, which was delicious, and my son even liked it, so that made me happy. I have 2 different salads I'm going to try this week. The Garden Goddess salad and a Thai chopped salad. and then a cauliflower tikka masala. Hopefully I said that right. I don't know. Y'all know I'm not good with the words sometimes. So those are the dinners that I'm making. I will get it posted on my website, savingwithchristina.com. Life has just been kind of crazy, and I checked my other work email and I realized I have a grant that I need to edit and get back tomorrow by noon. So it's going to be a little busy, but I promise I'll get it done. So Walmart deals. I felt like it was a little slow this week, but there were still some good deals, so I want to talk to you about them. First off, Ibotta has some high value Revlon offers. Check your Walmart clearance and see if you can find any Revlon products on clearance, because Ibotta was giving $4 back on lip, $4 back on eye, and $4 back on like tools. Of course, all I could find were Revlon face products, which didn't have a rebate for it. So that's why you don't see any Revlon stuff here. But definitely check the clearance aisle. I'll post some pictures of clearance at the end of this video. My store had quite a bit on clearance, just no Revlon makeup. The Herdez salsa, $1 a can. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and it's a limit of 5. So you can get 5 of these completely free. So easy deal there. The Starry, this soda, this popped up last week, free after rebate. I was able to find these up by the registers. You pay $2.18, you get $2.18 back. Also look for the Pepsi Zero. Pick up 2 of these at $2.18. Okay, there's an offer for buy one, get one free on Ibotta. So you're going to get $2.18 back on Ibotta. Then you can submit your receipt to this text number here and get another $2.18 back for the other one that you purchased, and making them both completely free. So try that out if you want to try that Pepsi Zero. Another deal, and I couldn't do it because my store didn't have it. Check your swag box. They had an offer for the A&W Zero or the 7-Up Zero. You buy 2 of them at $2.18 and you get $5 back. So not only would you get those completely free, but you'd make a little bit of money buying those. My store just didn't have it, so I couldn't do it to show you. This one's easy peasy. The keto ratio yogurt. These are $1.34 each. You want to buy 4 of them. There's a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 3, and there's a rebate on coupons.com for $1 off when you buy 4. Hopefully I didn't flip those. If so, you get what I mean. You're going to get $1 back on coupons.com, $1 back on Ibotta, making your final cost for all 4 $3.36 or just 84 cents each. I mentioned this one last week. Now, if you've tried it since last week, let me know what you thought. I have not tried mine, but I picked up another one today, $5.48. There is a free after rebate link that I will pin for you down below. You submit your receipt there, you get the $5.48 back, and then you can submit to the Shopkick app where you'll get $1.10 back, making it completely free, and $1.10 moneymaker. Now, the other Shopkick deal I did was on the Dove. It's $1.47, and then I haven't done the math, so I'm going to have to pop it up here for you. But you get kicks back on these because the offer is up to 20 ounces, and this one obviously is up to 20 ounces. So it makes this like 13 cents. It's been around for a while. So easy deal on that. Okay. The Old El Paso products. I picked up a seasoning mix as well as an enchilada sauce. The enchilada sauce is $1.98. You get back 50 cents on Ibotta. I also got back a 25-cent bonus for purchasing both items. So I just attached that 25 cents to this, saying I got $1.23 final cost. And then the seasoning, 88 cents for this one, 25 cents back on Ibotta, making it just 63 cents. Now, check your Fetch Rewards app because I had an offer for spend 10, get $1 back. So I could have bought more products, gotten more of the rebates on Ibotta, and then an extra $1 on Fetch. It wasn't worth it to me, so I did not do that. But you might have a better fetch offer, so double check to see what the best deal is for you. I just bought one of each. Now, other deals on Ibotta. Let's see, I told you about the Pepsi. I told you about the A&W. Oh, the Cauliflower. I bought that last week. The offer came back. It was a buy one, get one free, but they're $7.98. So you buy two at $7.98, you get $7.98 back, making it less than $4 for both of them, or for each of them. So not a bad deal if you like those. Now, I think that was everything. Don't forget to like the video, follow, and drop a comment to get yourself entered for a $50 gift card. Thanks.